Alright, so today I'm going to show y'all how to depin your factory Harley controls. This is for all the Dutch connector models, which I believe is 16 and down, which is a plug like this. For this job, all you're going to need is a paper clip and a set of either needle nose pliers or a dental pick. So first, we're going to start off by actually either writing down the orientation of the pins or taking a picture of it. Then we're going to take our needle nose pliers, and you'll see that inside of this plug there's two little holes directly in the center. What you want to do is reach in there with your needle nose pliers, grip it, and pull it up. It'll snap one time. You do not have to remove it all the way. Next, we're going to take a paper clip. If you get a paper clip that has the little insulation on it, cut that off with a knife or a pair of wire strippers. Above every pin, there's a little hole. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper clip, you're going to stick it in the hole, push down, you'll feel a little engagement right there, and then you just pull on your wire. Now, sometimes the wires, as they're coming out, will get twisted, and all you gotta do is make sure that the little retainer at the top of it looks like a little bump. You wanna make sure that that stays pointing towards the center of the plug. That way it can come out. So then you just go line by line and remove each one. And just like that, you've removed your factory Dutch connector. So now we're gonna take our connector. Now we're gonna repin the right side harness. So we got all pinned up. Final step, all you gotta do is take something to push down the center and push it till it clicks. Everything should lock in, nothing should move anywhere. Now you have a repinned Dutch connector. So that's it, it's that easy. Depending on what you're doing, it could take between 5 to 10 minutes to depin and repin. It's super simple. It's a time saver. Paperclip trick is a lifesaver in itself. It makes it so much easier. You don't need any specialty tools. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Keep in mind the paperclip trick. If you're ever going to do your own handlebars or any of your own wiring, it's a lifesaver. Anyways, that's it. Y'all take it easy, ride safe, ride smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.